Hi, my name is Dr. Michael Bogatch. I am an orthopedic sports medicine surgeon. I did grad school, medical school, and residency at Tulane, where I was very fortunate to train under some of the best hands and minds that I can bring to my practice in terms of all the vast experience and being able to take care of a wide variety of conditions. After my residency in New Orleans, which was very heavily focused in trauma as well as sports medicine, I then went and did a sports medicine fellowship in San Francisco, where I had the pleasure of taking care of professional sports teams, collegiate sports teams, high schools. I was an assistant team doctor of the San Francisco Giants. We took care of Division I schools, including Santa Clara University, University of San Francisco, all the way down to the high school level. And for me, it was priceless to be able to have the opportunity to take care of such a wide array of sports conditions, because it really puts you in tune with the needs and the rehabilitation schemes that are absolutely imperative to getting people back to that level in which they were prior to injury state. What I hope to bring to Baptist is a wide array of orthopedic treatment, given the fact that after my fellowship, I was a director of sports medicine at a level 1 trauma center, where not only did I handle all arrays of sports medicine, including shoulder pathology, whether it be rotator cuff repairs or even shoulder replacement surgery, but I also was a specialist in the knee, taking care of multiligamentous knee injuries, ACL injuries, which are very, very common to the high school or collegiate or just any recreational athlete. I was a level 1 trauma attending at the same time, allowing me to take care of pretty complex fractures, and that really just embodied my ability to be the real wide array and the real general doctor that could feel comfortable in treating all of my patients and my patient's family with confidence and trust. Every patient I treat as my own family member. I believe that's an incredibly integral part of any doctor's practice. I love to establish really good bonds with all my patients. I have always told people that I treat patients as if they are my own family, and I believe that as long as you stick to that, then you can never go wrong. And I believe that, being transparent and being as open as possible with your patients as to your expectations, their expectations, plan of attack, options, and just being honest is the cornerstone of being a successful surgeon or a successful doctor. Overly thrilled with how wonderful the feel and the welcoming nature of the hospital here is, and I'm really excited to get involved and to do my very best to make the biggest difference in Little Rock.